Hello everyone. With the stay-at-home order here in Ohio, we're kind of getting a little bored. So we made up a game. This is a little bit of Luca's target practice. Luca is right here.
Hi guys.
There's Luca right there.
Subscribe please.
And here's the deal. Here's what we're going to be doing. We have several bottles that we have put up, and Luca has several Nerf guns, right, Luca? You have a lot of Nerf guns, right?
I have a lot because I didn't have that much, but then for my birthday on February 26th, I got more.
That's right. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a little challenge, and we're going to see who wins. Stay tuned. So we have several bottles here, and as you can see, they have different point values. Obviously, the smaller ones are worth more. And
the bigger ones are worth less.
The bigger ones what?
Are worth less, and the smaller ones are worth more.
That's right. So, you see here, like here's a really big one. It's only 5 points. The smaller bottle, the Gatorade bottle is 25. The bigger Gatorade bottle is 10. And these little tiny Danimal yogurt ones are going to be hard to hit. So we're making those 50. So the big challenge is that what we're going to have to do is get to exactly 100. So, for example, let's say what's that?
So let's say I hit the Danimal Cup, then I hit another Danimal Cup, then I got 100, because 50 plus 50 is 100.
That is correct. But let's look at it this way. What if you had 90 points and you hit the 15? That would be over 100, so you would have to go back to 0. We have to hit exactly 100. So let's see how it goes. So Luca has a Nerf gun that has 4 bullets in it. So what he'll do is he'll be able to have 4 shots to see if he can get 100, or if not, we're going to see what his score is. So, all right, Luca, whenever you're ready.
I think I'm going for Kramer.
Oh boy.
So, at the end, I'm going to go collect these bullets, because
All right.
I did that. Whoa, 2 came out at the same time. Does that count?
Nope.
Okay.
You get to have that one back.
Okay.
All right, here he goes.
That landed in the
Miss.
That landed in the sink. So now I'm recording because he has to do a shot. You're going for the Danimal, I think. Nope, misses. Misses again.
Oh.
Don't end it.
Look at this.
You got it. I'm gonna try to go for the Danimal. Nope. Oh, one dropped out again.
It's okay, you can put that
I'll forget it.
Now, these bottles are going down.
No, they're not. I don't think so. Nope. Oh, that was just a Danimal. Well, 2 came out. 2 came out, right?
Yeah, I'll put one back. Oh, okay, my last shot.
That one.
Come on, baby. Oh! Hopefully, Luca hits one this time.
That actually won't sink.
Pretty close. Looks like you got to lower it a little bit.
Why gotta go lower?
Looks like it.
Taking out.
Okay.
One more shot.
Come on, Luca. Concentrate. This time, guaranteed I'm hitting a bottle. Might be a big one, but I'm going to hit one.
I don't think he is. Oh.
Oh, you know that was close, boy.
I saw like in 3. Like, I have like 2 eyes and 1 camera. I can look. Oh, 1 bit back there. Uh-oh.
Ah!
Dad, we have a special surprise for you. It's a player that you have never seen on this channel. And do you think I'm gonna hit one?
No, I don't.
You hear it like it leaves like a ding after it?
If you were trying to hit dishes in the sink, you would be doing really, really well.
Yeah.
but we're trying to hit these bombs.
Yeah. It just these kind of go really far.
Oh!
I thought I'd go lower, but I apparently have to go higher.
Oh!
If you want to see the special surprise at the end, stay tuned.
All right, let's go. Bottles, you're going down.
Balls are going up. Nope.
Too high.
Too high?
Too high.
Oh,
Woo! Whoops.
Whoa, that one did not go.
Didn't come out.
So, as you can see, we have one bottle missing.
All right.
We have one
We
bottle.
got a different angle going. This is a little scary because it could hit us, but I think Luca's going to knock one down this time.
Why'd you put the time back up?
Because you have to have a chance to get it. Woohoo!
Two went out. This gun hates me.
That was close.
It hates me because it just two comes out. Oh, that almost hit you.
Oh.
Did I get one of my Roblox players?
Yeah.
As you can see, I knocked that Roblox player down. He looks like his bones are aching. Oh, you're gonna shoot us. Whoa!
Just missed it.
Oh, the creamer almost went down. Please don't get creamer or anything. It looks like you're aiming for us. Whoa! You knocked two down! Or like three. You got two?
Sure the heck did, Bubba.
Oh my goodness. Is that all?
So I hit 3 bottles so far, but
He has 75.
we need to figure out how much they're worth. So let's figure that out. Well, the first one that I hit was worth 10, and that time I hit 2 of them. One was worth 50 and one was worth 15. So how many points do I have if you add all 3 of those up?
75.
75 is correct. Okay, it's your turn.
Okay, if I hit you guys, we'll say sorry.
No problem.
Hey, wasn't there, why is there a gap right there?
I don't know.
Alright.
Uh-oh, the surprise player's coming.
Maybe that would work. Okay, if you want to see it's just a surprise player, don't look here. It's my mom.
All right. See what you got, boy. Don't shoot your mom.
I won't. I'm going for the damn.
Woo! That was close.
That went flying in the air.
I think did one fall?
Yeah, one fell.
Oh, look back.
And
The
we have
surprise shooter. And she's good, so she'll probably get 100 right away.
So what do? You push it forward?
Did you already load it, Luca?
I already know.
Yeah, so you just pull the trigger at this point,
So
and then
you aim for one of those, then you pull the trigger, and press back.
and then when the next one you pull it, you have to pull the thing back again.
Okay.
All right,
Oh,
Mommy.
she's aiming toward me.
Oh, I'll go there over here. I can't do it.
Oh my goodness!
Whoa!
All right, now pull the black thing back. All right, aim.
Wait, did two come out? Oh no.
All right, pull it back again. I told you she's a sharpshooter.
Where'd the other bullet go?
My goodness, she's good. Last one, Mama.
No, Mom, push the bullet. It won't go. It won't go, Mom. You have to push
Oh,
it.
push the bullet in and then pull back again.
Okay, Mom. For watching Luca's Nerf Gun Challenge. Hit that like button and subscribe. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Bye!